Now we're supposed to find the differential of y of this function. So what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to find the derivative of y with respect to x first. So I have to write dy over dx is equal, so I have 3x to the second power plus 4x. And in order to find the differential of y, I'm supposed to multiply both sides of my answer by dx. Times dx. I'm supposed to write dx over here. Dx and dx will cancel out, so I have dy is equal 3x squared plus 4x times dx. And this is my answer to this problem.